To all. Now, earlier we discussed the operation flow process chart. Now we will discuss about the flow process chart. The flow process chart gives us the sequence of flow of work of a product or any part of it through work center or a department, recording the event using the appropriate symbols. It means that in flow process chart we will observe the sequence of flow of any work or a product that will go on through the different departments. We will record that process, okay, and it is the amplification of operation flow process chart. As we know in operation flow process chart, that in operation flow process chart only two symbols are used. First is operation, another is inspection. But right now in this we will come to know that in operation flow process chart we will come to know that they have a different types of other symbols will be used. Those are known as operation, inspection, storage, okay, as well as the transportation, as well as the what we say delay. So all the things can be used when we are come to the flow process chart. Okay, so now again the flow process chart are three types. Okay, the first one is which shows the event that occurs to the material, okay, where we are knowing the material type flow process chart. Another is man type of flow process chart where the activity is performed by the man, and equipment type where the equipment is used. Now the flow process chart is useful to reduce the distance traveled by the man or a material, to avoid the waiting time and unnecessary delays, to reduce the cycle time by combining or eliminating the unnecessary operations, to fix up the sequence of operation, to relocate the inspection and storage. Okay, so with the help of these flow process chart we can get the benefit of like this. Okay, now we are come to the flow process chart. So now the flow process chart in which we will go through the material type. Our chart will be prepared like this, where the first thing is that we should mention the task. So here the task is manufacture of the component. The chart begins with the component lying in the store. Okay, the chart ends the machine component lying in the stores. So first from the store of the raw material stores we will get the component, and after machining or combining the operation, different type of operation, ultimately our finished product will be come to the store. Chart by, where you can write that chart by, where the date of charting, this should be mentioned. Okay, so now we will start with the lying in store. So here the store symbol is noted like this: our raw material lying in a store, then the transportation take places, that our product is our material is traveled 10 meters to the machine, and after that 2 minutes it will take in load to machine, and after this the operation machining of the component, that is take the 5 minutes, and after again the our material is go to the inspection bench, that will be about to 12 meters from the operation thing, and after that waited till the inspection is free, that will be the 15 minutes. It is the delay time, that will be shown by the capital D. Okay, now inspection of the component is take place 2 minutes, and after that the inspection component or a material will be transported to the stores, that will take the 12 meters distance. Okay, and after that 0.2 minutes will take place in the rack, means our finished product or a component or a material will be placed in a rack in a store, that will take 0.2 minutes. Okay, and after that stored in the rack. Ultimately after the at last what we are seeing in the chart ends with the machine component lying in the stores. So ultimately in this way we can prepare the flow process chart for the material type. Here in the summary section, what we get that the operation, transportation, inspection, delay and storage, these all have a frequency of 3. Just for operation we have 1, we have 2 and we have 3. So ultimately the frequency of the operation is 3. Whatever the time is consuming is 2 minutes, 5 minutes, that total 7 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes and plus 0.2 minutes. So ultimately 7.2 minutes is the time. Distance is not traveled because of the operation is happening in the single place, so that is why distance is not mentioned. Again the transportation take places, in that the frequency the transportation first, that our material from the storage place, raw material will be transported to the loaded to the machine, where it will take the 10 meters. Okay, in 10 meters here is it is clearly mentioned that 10 meters in the transportation, and again we will 12 meter in the transportation, and again we will go for the 12 meters in the transportation. Okay, so ultimately it will be come to the 34. 12 plus 15, that is 12 plus 10 is equal to 22, 5 27, and here what we will get 10. So 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. Sorry, just a minute, we will calculate this. 12 minutes plus 12 meters plus 15 meters. So 12 sorry, this is the minutes. Okay, sorry, we will delete it like this. Again we will repeat it. Here to machine 10 meters, here 12 meters to the inspection bench, and here to the stores. So what we get, 12 plus 12 plus 10. So 12 for 24 plus 10, that is equal to the 34. So here what we will get, the distance is 34. In the same way we can calculate for the different materials, and ultimately our flow process chart topic is completed. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will very happy to resolve your issues. Thank you again.